There may come a time when a line on a purchase order, PO, is received into inventory by mistake. This mistake can be fixed by canceling the receipt for that PO line, which reopens the PO line. First, let's receive a line on a PO. Navigate to the PO, go to the line, and click Receive. Here on the receiving screen, the PO and line have been autofilled for you. Fill in the receiving inspection information and click Receive. Click into the PO receipt link. Let's say you've realized that this line was received in error and needs to be reopened. From the receipt screen, you can simply click the Cancel Receipt link on the left. An important note here, you may not cancel a receipt if the inventory has been adjusted after having been received. In that case, this link will be grayed out and unavailable. Here our inventory had not been adjusted after receipt, so we were able to successfully cancel the receipt and thereby reopen the PO line. You can see that that line is now reopened and ready to be received. Let's say you've received all lines on a PO. This automatically closes the PO as a whole, which is indicated at the top of the PO with the words PO header is closed. To add lines to this PO, you could reopen the PO as a whole by clicking the blue Reopen PO button, but this would not reopen any individual lines on this PO that were already closed. To reopen a line on this PO, I'd click into the line Receipt link and click Cancel Receipt. If I went back to the PO screen, I could see that the line has been reopened. There's no longer a receipt link listed under the line. The status of the line is marked as open, and the received link is again visible. Also, because there is a PO line open again, the PO as a whole has been reopened. Let's say you want to reopen the second line on this PO, but you're not on the PO screen. Let's say instead that you've just started your morning and are logging into Cetec ERP for the first time. But you know you want to cancel the receipt to reopen line 2 on that PO first thing. What's the quickest way to do that? Navigate to Purchasing, then POs, then the purchase order list. You can filter the report to only show PO lines that are currently closed. To do that, set the status filter to Closed and set the View by Filter to PO lines. This lets you view the report by individual PO lines instead of one entire PO at a time. Then run the report. Find the PO line you want. In our example, we're looking for PO 82.1, line 2. Click into its receipt link, and then click Cancel Receipt on the left. Now you know how to reopen a line on a purchase order in Cetec ERP.